This is a summary of ANA Holdings Inc. ANA Holdings Inc. is Japan's flagship airline listed on the Nikkei 225. It operates as a full-service airline with a focus on safety, quality, and customer service. The company's shares were hit hard during the COVID-19 pandemic as a result of the severe impact on air travel. However, in the year ended March 2023, air travel demand recovered to pre-pandemic levels. In fact, in the last 2 years, the company has been on a recovery journey and has outperformed the market. In addition to its main airline business, ANA has several subsidiaries, including Peach Aviation, a low-cost carrier that focuses on the domestic and regional markets, Air Japan, a new airline that focuses on long-haul international routes and cargo operations. The company also has a hotel and a fitness business. In the last fiscal year, which ended in March 2024, ANA Holdings achieved record-high revenue of 2.26 trillion yen. Profit attributable to shareholders was 146.7 billion yen, an increase of 14.9% compared to the previous year. Revenue per available seat kilometer, which is a measure of how much money the company makes for each kilometer a seat is used, increased by 14.4% due to higher fares. This was partially offset by a 9.8% increase in fuel costs. In July 2025, Chinese regulators approved ANA's acquisition of Nippon Cargo Airlines, a leading air cargo transporter in Japan. The deal is expected to close in the third quarter of the year. The acquisition will strengthen ANA's international cargo business and provide a significant competitive advantage in the market. Despite the positive developments, there are still some challenges that the company needs to overcome. Fuel costs and maintenance expenses are expected to remain high, which will put pressure on profit margins. Additionally, the company's gearing ratio, which measures its financial leverage, is relatively high at 174. In the first quarter of the current fiscal year, which ended on June 30, 2025, ANA Holdings earnings slightly missed analysts' expectations. The company reported a 13.6% increase in revenue and a 13.5% increase in net income. However, operating income came in 6.7% lower than expected. Looking ahead, the company's future earnings and share price performance will depend on several factors, including the strength of the overall economy, the recovery in air travel demand, the impact of the upcoming NIKKEI225, and the company's ability to control costs. Currently, ANA's stock is trading around 2,800 to 2,900 yen, which is well above its pandemic low of around 1,400 yen. However, it is still below its pre-pandemic high of 8,260 yen. In the past 3 months, the stock has outperformed the air transport sector, which has returned 13.8. According to analysts, the short to mid-term price target for ANA's stock is 3,200 to 3,500 yen. The company's fundamentals are strong and the stock is relatively cheap. Inbound tourism is recovering and is expected to reach pre-pandemic levels by 2025. This will boost demand for air travel and help the company's revenue and profit growth. Additionally, the upcoming Expo 2025 in Osaka is expected to further boost demand for air travel. Overall, ANA Holdings shows positive momentum and has the potential to grow in the coming years. Therefore, it is a key stock to watch in Japan's air transport sector. Thank you for watching. See you soon on the next video.